Updating WordPress plugins and themes should be easy, but sometimes a new update breaks your site, slows it down, or removes features you rely on. Whether it's styling conflicts, JavaScript errors, or PHP warnings, problems can appear fast, and that's where WP Rollback comes in. With just a few clicks, you can roll back any plugin or theme, safe, fast, and reliably. Simply select the problematic update, click Rollback, choose the appropriate version, add an optional note, and watch as WP Rollback safely and intelligently handles the rest. The result? Errors gone, CSS conflicts fixed, and debug logs finally quiet. With WP Rollback Pro, you unlock even more power. Rollback premium plugins and themes like Elementor, Gravity Forms, and purchases from the Envato marketplace. And it's not just those. Pro works with virtually any premium asset that updates through WordPress. Each time you update, WP Rollback securely saves a version archive you can restore at any time. Whether you're managing one site or an entire network, WP Rollback gives you peace of mind, so you can update with confidence, knowing you always have a way back. WP Rollback. Updates made safe.